Holy smoke. Oh, no. Let me see. Where is the cord?
Rock-a-bye Roger, he got a bad shock. He's learning a lesson in the school of hard knocks. He put a wet finger on a live wire, and now he is singing with a heavenly choir. And honey, this choir is so heavenly.
Oh.
Well, look who's coming around. Tom Swift and his electric finger.
Where am I? What happened?
Careful, Roger Dodger. You just tried to turn yourself into a fry, baby. And now it's your turn to cry, baby.
Who are you? Oh, my gosh. Are you an angel? Don't tell me this is it. I'm in heaven.
You got half of it, Roger. I am an angel. Ain't I, though? But this isn't heaven. Look around, dummy. You think heaven's got shag carpeting?
Who are you? What happened?
You grabbed a live wire of the electrical variety and got zapped. You could have been killed. If you had held on to that wire instead of getting knocked for a loop, you would be well done, Roger. Done for, done dead. You'd be roast turkey instead of just jive turkey. Ooh, I do have a way with words.
The television set was smoking. I was just trying to stop the smoke.
The television set was smoking because you had all the air vents blocked with old newspapers and magazines. Not to mention the overloaded outlet you had the TV set plugged into.
Who are you, anyway? I don't have to take this.
Cool it, Roger. You gonna take it. My name is Nadine.
Oh.
The electric teen angel. Well, maybe not quite teen, but definitely electric and definitely an angel. Your guardian angel, and I am here to teach you about the error of your ways.
I don't believe this is happening.
Believe it, and believe me. I know what I'm talking about. I wasn't always an angel. Time was when I was Nadine, the rock and roll queen, on station WATT in Akron, Ohio. But one day I was spinning hot curlers, and a wire got crossed. Zap! In an instant, I became a golden oldie in the groove-yard of hits. Now I do my swinging on the pearly gates and keep an eye out for the likes of you. It's my, karma.
But where are we?
You're home, right where you started out. I've just taken you down a peg or two in size to teach you some much-needed lessons in common sense. Let's cut the small talk. We got work to do. Okay, Roger Dodger, school is in session, and you're already flunking this course. Tell me what's wrong with this picture.
I don't see anything wrong.
Well, for starters, you have an open outlet in a room where small children play. That open outlet is an invitation to trouble. A child, your child, could stick a hairpin in that outlet and make contact.
Oh.
The human body is a good conductor of electricity. Children don't stand a chance. At the least, they could be seriously burned, if not electrocuted.
I didn't realize.
I can see that. But this extension cord is an even bigger invitation to disaster. What happens if a child puts the end into his mouth?
Well,
I'll tell you what. Snap, crackle, pop. Burns, baby. Serious burns. Or even worse.
you mean...
You got it.
Oh. I promise. If I ever grow up again, I'll put safety caps on all the exposed outlets. And I'll never leave an extension cord plugged in when it's not being used.
That's a start. But where children and electricity are concerned, honey, you can't be too careful. Treat an extension cord as a temporary convenience. Never leave it plugged or unplugged where a child can get to it.
Oh, this is too painful. I think I liked you better when you were just rude.
Cool it, Roger. This is just the beginning. Let's go back to the scene of your revolting behavior. Revolting. That's a joke. Get it? Let's get this over with once and for all, shall we? All right, first, don't overload wall outlets or extension cords. Second, make sure all electrical connections are tight with no metal prongs exposed. Third, don't mess around with the back of your TV set, and don't ever remove the back of the set. A sweaty or moist hand and a frayed wire could cost you more than good reception. And Roger, about that rooftop antenna you were going to fix tomorrow.
Don't tell me.
You're catching on. One TV or CB antenna in contact with one outside power line and one careless person like yourself.
Let me guess. Grilled turkey.
You know, Roger, there may be hope for you yet.
Does that mean I've graduated?
Not yet.
Now, before you lay into me, Nadine, I know what you're going to say. The hairdryer shouldn't have been left plugged in. Water and electricity aren't a good mix. But the hairdryer's turned off, so what's the danger?
Even with the switch off, a hairdryer or any electric appliance in contact with water can zap you. But that is only half the story. Don't try to clear the air vents of a hairdryer or get toast out of a toaster with a metal object.
Yeah, I know. It's asking for trouble. Nadine, I am a reformed man.
Not yet.
Oh, no.
We have one more stop. Well, Roger?
Let me see. Always use a three-pronged plug in a three-pronged outlet.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have to use an adapter, make sure the pigtail wire is attached to the screw holding the faceplate to the wall receptacle. Never remove the third prong. And be especially careful around water or wet areas.
Oh, Roger, I do believe you have finally got it.
Thanks to you, Nadine.
Well, I think my work here is done.
Where will you go from here? Can you retire?
Are you kidding? My work is just beginning. Why, right this minute, your next-door neighbor's taking a shower with his radio plugged in, and it's sitting on the side of the tub.
He's in for the shock of his life.
Which one, Roger? The radio or the look on his face when he sees me?
Both.
Well, it's my job. I'm a guardian angel. Bye.
Nadine! 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 Thanks, Nadine. You're an angel.